All right, so we continue with the video. So here I have the drone itself in my hand, and you guys can see above you have the DJI logo. You also have these areas where I think you can actually screw in optional devices. You have the loudspeaker, for example, which you can screw on here, and also you have the RTK device, which might be used for surveying. Above also you have the proximity sensors, two of them, left and right. You have an LED light. I believe that's an LED light. You have some radiators right here and also up front. And underneath, of course, you have the two LED lights and also proximity sensors. I haven't yet put on the props, but you can see everything here is protected for the props. It looks very well constructed. It feels solid, and even though this is plastic, it actually feels almost like it's aluminum. All right, let's drop that back in there. And then the next thing we're gonna look at, you have a power cord and you also have a charger. It feels very substantial, good quality. C1, C2, I guess those are all for charging ports. USB-C type outlets. So that's what it looks like. Good thing that happens with this case is that you have storage spots for additional accessories, chargers, and what have you. Let's take a look at what we have in here. Looks like some documentation. You have a little tool, I believe, to attach the accessories to the top of the drone. And I have my 1, 2, 3, 4 props, and it looks like there's 2 additional props. That makes it 6. You have the charging cable, and there's one other cable here. Let's take a look what it is. Maybe some kind of data cable. So that's what all comes in the box with the new DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise. I believe they said it wasn't charged, but let's take a look here, see if it powers up. It's totally dead. No juice. So there's the battery. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have a video here soon.